So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I got this, I think it's a cupboard, a door for the cupboard at Ikea on clearance for $5. I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint this in the color silver. I won't be spraying the glass here, so I will be going ahead and do so right now, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I'm gonna start this DIY. I will be making some wall decor for my home. On above my couch I want something a little bit larger, so I'm gonna go ahead and do so right now. Anyway, yeah. Okay everybody, so I lost the footage where I added the two frames on the top along with the mirrors. So what I did was, on the edge of the frame I added some glue, not restricting where I'm gonna be sliding the photo into. So I just added some glue on the two edges and I stuck it in there. Also, same with the mirrors, I added some hot glue on the two ends of the mirrors where they will be touching the door or the frame with the glass, and that is what